Okay, welcome to the ISC 2026. You are at the Logitech booth, and we have some new devices that I would like to describe here. So first of all, we have a successor to our known Rally camera. This is called Rally AI Camera Pro. And on the other side of the wall, we have Rally AI camera, the smallest brother of the Rally AI Camera Pro. Both devices are capable of doing some marvelous things regarding the video, especially regarding framing. So they are very powerful. We are known for it that we'll bring some new features later, but for now we have different modes of framing.
So it's using AI to find people and go perfectly?
Yeah, it's using the AI actually with the image processing and audio processing to actually make it happen that you can frame differently depending on your needs. And also you can use it in a multi-camera system, which is also great for bigger rooms, like lecture rooms, like auditoriums. When you can
they can switch?
Yeah, they will. I cannot tell anything about it yet, but in the future we think that we can do some switching. But right now we are just relying on the platform and capabilities like Teams and Zoom, of course.
What is this one? What is showing?
This is actually a device that is a core of our portfolio is Rally Bar. It's actually a camera designed for medium-sized rooms with great capabilities, also two lenses with AI built in, with framing, with great audio.
And so the optics are improving, the sensors are improving, the quality is improving, even though the platform sometimes Meet and Teams is 1080p, but you can make it look as good as possible in that.
Yeah, absolutely. So we are taking care great of the image processor quality, image sensors actually, and the lenses, which we are producing on our own. So yeah.
All right. And what else you want to show here at the booth?
Okay, so there is another new software upgrade which I can show here. This is actually our Rally board that was introduced last year, and this time it's run natively on Google Meet. So so far we have only Teams and Zoom versions. Right now we have a direct Google Meet solution with in which we can use also the touch screen if you like via some side load apps. As you can see here, we can have such thing like this.
So it's full native Google platform integration?
Yeah, this is native. It's run on this device natively on Android, and it's natively connect to Google Cloud, and then you can use the native features of Google Meet, as with our solutions.
Nice. Should we go over there?
Yeah, sure. So let's go to another device that actually is very similar, but.
What did you say? Sorry, it's very similar, but
this is actually the same Rally board, but this time we are using a little bit different approach. For example, for companies who don't want or can't use Android on their networks, like for example public institutions, we have a version of Microsoft Teams Room on Windows that's running on this device. It uses its interactive capabilities. And for example, if you are in a meeting, you can use a web browser to share the content with participants, like so, as you can see here.
nice.
With the sound also. So if there are like people who like to see the content of the web page with the audio content, they are able to do it, no problem with this. And of course we have the whiteboard capability here as well, the same as with native Android. So as you can see here, you can draw, you can share a Microsoft Whiteboard. This is also natively supported Microsoft Whiteboard solution.
And with a good AI camera solutions also?
This is also an AI camera capabilities. So we have different modes of framing. We'll also, in the future, we'll also use the infrared sensor, which is able to do a 3D map of the room, and in this way we can track people better and, for example, blur the parts of the room which is not needed for the call. Like, for example, if you would like to have a call on the open space, this is possible.
Nice. And this was just a small highlight of so many things at the booth, right?
Yeah, because we are showing standard, simple as always, Logitech simple solutions for Meet, Zoom, and Teams. So these are just the basic bundles that you can buy from us to fulfill the needs of different kind of rooms.
And from
smaller to the biggest.
If I just jump in here, it's like a meeting room. Is there cool things happening in here, right?
Yeah, so actually this is a classic example of a standard conference room with a long table, where the issue is actually that you can actually Zoom participants that are at the back of the room. But when you do it, it will be difficult to follow the discussion, because you can then, of course, move the camera fast to track next participant who is talking, but this is not very convenient. So that's why we introduced Sight. And
it's like a 360 camera?
Yeah, it's actually 315, because we cut the part of the image that shows the screen, not necessary, yeah. And in this room, actually, we are showcasing a dual side setup. So if the room is longer and one side is not enough because it works in the diameter of 2.5 meters, you can have two, and in this way you can have a framing for up to 8 participants, or more if you like, but up to 8 windows actually.
And it has nice audio capture built into that?
Yeah, these devices are equipped with microphones. That's because we also want the people at the back of the room to be heard clearly, but also the microphones actually sense the direction of speaking person, and that's why it is able to frame the participant very correctly.
Potentially you can have more TVs around?
Yeah, if you like. The standard setup is 1 or 2, but if you like, you can have a copy of the image if you would like to have like on the side. But this is the majority of times you have 1 or 2.
Nice. So thanks a lot for showing some of the latest stuff here at the ISE. And there's always new interesting innovation, right, at Logitech.
Yeah, thank you very much for visiting booth at Logitech this time.
Imagine every pixel, every sound, enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.